The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are coming next year, our sources tell us. In 2023, Samsung put a heavy focus on fan edition devices that offer flagship-grade features at mid-range prices. And among the many FE products were the Galaxy Buds FE, Samsung's most affordable earbuds in the lineup yet. While the new FE phones and tablets did have flagship counterparts, the $100 Galaxy Buds FE were the only earbuds Samsung launched this year. But the company will go back to making a high-end pair of earbuds next year and is working on the sequel to the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro were pretty popular when they launched, thanks to excellent sound, active noise cancellation, and a smaller design that offered a better fit than the Galaxy Buds 2 or Galaxy Buds Live. The Buds 2 Pro are still the latest high-end earbuds available from Samsung, and we're told that will continue to be the case for another year. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro could come out alongside the next Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip, though we can't confirm any launch details at this time. We also don't know what upgrades the Buds 3 Pro will bring.